Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is cost management. Many people find cost management is a challenging topic during the PMP exam, but if you watch this video till the end, you will find out how easy is cost management. And the best part with cost management is you can easily compare your answers actually for the correctness during the exam itself, because you're dealing with numbers, you're dealing with figures. You'll find one of the answers in your choices, so it's easy to compare and compare for the correctness during the exam. So there are three parts in cost in project work. One is a pre-project, where you do the costing before the project chart is made, and then in planning you do all the estimations for the project to do in it can manage work. And then the controlling part, where many people find very challenging, because there are a few calculations to be done during controlling. In controlling, what you do is you do the calculation and you compare with the plannings that you have done previously. But today we are going to discuss more pre-project work. That's the topic today. There are very few basic concepts in pre-project work. Number one is benefit cost ratio. Straightforward, guys. You just look for positive and negative cost benefits ratios. If it's positive, you always move forward. If it's negative, you eliminate. You will not proceed with the project. And the most important thing with cost is the NPV, net present value. There's only one simple equation, guys. In here, N represent number of years, R represent the interest rate. You can twist this equation around if you want to calculate the future value. This is the only equation you need to remember to do all the calculations with NPV. Let's look at a simple example, guys. This is the simplest form of example. You might come up with a question at the exam with a story on top of this, but this is a summary of the whole question. They will give out all the figures. What you have to do is apply one of the equations using these figures given and do the math, guys. So project A invested 100,000 on a project. Current interest rate is 5%. What will be the value of the investment in 3 years time? So do the math, pause the video and try to solve it using one of the equations on top. As you can see, guys, the question is asking the future value, so the equation 2 comes into play. So I have highlighted in red the math we have to do first, step by step. Guys, pause the video if you have any doubts and follow through, because this will be a very critical part during this calculation. So as I mentioned earlier, you will end up with a figure as an answer, and you can verify whether this answer is there in the choices given. So that is one way of verifying for the correctness, guys. So in cost, this is the advantage. You can verify your answers. If the math is correct, you can verify the answer for the correctness. The next concept is the opportunity cost. Once again, very straightforward. Let's look with an example. So project A has an NPV of 50k and project B has an NPV of 35k. What is the best investment, and what would be the opportunity cost? Once again, pause the video and try to answer. When they ask about the opportunity cost, it's always the higher figure is the opportunity that we're going to select. The highest figure is the project that we're going to select, that is the project A in here, that is 50k. The opportunity is the project that you're missing out, that is 35k. But beware, guys, sometimes they can twist the question, because there are a few concepts, like if the project is done due to a legal, environmental or any regulation factor, in that case we have to select that factor first before the value of the project. So if project B is done due to a legal or regulatory or environmental factor, that it's more ethical to go ahead with that project than the more valuable project. So if the question asks about those kind of factors, always go for that particular project. And in the next video, we're going to talk about cost planning and cost control. Make sure you don't miss that video, guys. My attempt is to share how I achieved my PMP qualification and my preparation. These videos I made during my preparation, guys, for myself, and I thought of sharing that with you all, so it also benefit towards your exam. All the best, guys. I hope you like my video. Hopefully you'll stick with me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.